Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set the catching size on the marine traffic application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. So that's the home screen, and you can find different buttons. New, click to the icon at the upper left corner of the home screen, and here tap to the map options. Just scroll down and you can find the last option, the catching size. If you use the map catching, just 10, you can edit the size. Just click to the circle and pull on the line, and you can select the low, the medium, high, very high, or max. Actually, I use the high, but you can set another. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.